Cavusgil's Global Market Opportunity Assessment (GMOA) framework. Cavusgil's GMOA framework is based on the need for managers to acquire a substantive understanding of international markets in order to achieve satisfactory performance using an organization's limited resources. According to Cavusgil et al., the fundamental challenge facing firms entering international markets centers on solving managerial problems in these markets. The complexities of operating abroad compel firms to perform internal market research to acquire competitive intelligence. Indeed, research is the basis of making market decisions and is essential in gaining a competitive advantage. Market research is the methodical design, collection, analysis, and reporting of conclusions relevant to business decisions. At the same time, competitive intelligence is collecting and analyzing information about the firm's competitors and recommending actionable business decisions. Therefore, making appropriate decisions determines a firm's success in entering and operating in international markets. Through Cavusgil's GMOA framework, business organizations can define and pursue opportunities arising in international markets. The first step in Cavusgil's GMOA framework is to analyze organizational readiness to enter the international market. At this step, the company examines itself to determine the extent to which it has the incentive, resources, and competency required to undertake overseas business successfully. The company will also research the opportunities and threats it might encounter in the target market. For instance, the firm investigates the specific benefits sought by the consumers, the nature of competing brands, and the risks involved in the market. The second task involves the assessment of the suitability of products and services for international markets. The activity aims to understand the extent to which the products and services are appropriate for the target market. During this stage, the firm managers ascertain the purchase initiator, the actual user of the product, the reason for buying, and the place buyers expect to find it. The company may also identify the geographic, economic, and cultural factors that can limit the sales of the products. Determining the extent to which the product is consumed in the market is also essential. During this task, for instance, the managers can attend an industry trade show to understand the product's usage and popularity. The third task involves screening countries to identify the target markets. The main objective of this task is to reduce the number of countries that require in-depth investigation as probable target markets. This may involve examining trade statistics that disclose exports and imports of products by each target country to determine the largest markets and those with the best growth profiles. The managers can use a gradual elimination approach or an indexing and ranking method at this juncture. The fourth activity is assessing industry market potential. The main objective of this task is to estimate the size of sales for the relevant industry within the target countries and investigate and evaluate any potential entry barriers. During this stage, the market researcher estimates the expected levels of sales for the particular industry. This will represent an estimate of the prospective sales for all companies in the relevant industry for a specific period of time. The fifth activity is about selecting foreign business partners. The objective here is to decide on the kind of overseas business partner, clarify the ideal qualifications of a partner, and plan the entry mode. This is achieved when a firm consults different sources and conducts field research. For instance, the company may conduct on-site visits, gather research from independent resources, or conduct trade shows. Asking potential partners to develop formal business plans can also enable the firm to measure the partner's commitment, resources, and capabilities. The sixth activity is about estimating a company's sales potential. The objective here is to estimate the share of the industry sales that the firm can achieve for a specified period of time in all target markets. The managers can use several methods to estimate company sales, including conducting trade audits, obtaining estimates from local partners, surveying end users, engaging in test marketing, using analogy, using proxy indicators, and assessing competitors.